In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add a downloaded WordPress plugin to WordPress and how to add a WordPress plugin directly in WordPress. A plugin's like an app for your website. When you add a plugin to WordPress, it adds more features and functionality to your website. There's thousands of free and paid plugins available which can extend functionality. I'll now show you how you can add a downloaded WordPress plugin. So the first thing to do is log into WordPress, and then on the left hand side click on plugins, then click on add new, then click on upload plugin, then click on choose file, and here you'll choose a zip file that you've downloaded from the website where you've bought or found the theme. So I'm just going to choose this one here. So remember, it'll need to be in zip format. I'm just going to choose open. When you've loaded the file into WordPress, you'll see it has that next to choose file. If you click on install now, to activate a WordPress plugin, click on activate plugin, and now the plugin is live in WordPress. In WordPress, you can deactivate a plugin, so you can change it from being live on the website to being inactive. So to do that, click on the plugins page and it'll take you to this page. Then just click on deactivate here, and the plugin's deactivated, and you'll see it's available in the inactive folder. If you want to delete a plugin, again, go to the plugins page and then click on delete next to the plugin that you want to delete, and the plugin will be completely removed from WordPress. Earlier on in the tutorial, we covered how to add a downloaded WordPress plugin. I'll now show you how to add a WordPress plugin directly in WordPress. So the first thing you want to do is go into WordPress. On the left hand side, go to the plugins page, click on add new, search for the plugin that you want to install. So I'm searching for Tidio. I'm going to click on install now next to the plugin I'm going to install. Then I'm going to choose activate, and the plugin is now live on the site. I'll now give you a few tips on how to manage plugins well. So I try and keep plugins updated. You can do that by, for example, clicking on enable auto updates, and the plugins automatically update. If you click on disable, you can turn that off. If you want to manually update a plugin, you can come into this plugin screen, and then you'll be notified that a plugin needs updating, and you can just click on update. I try and keep the number of plugins down to a minimum. So for example, a maximum of 10. It just helps the website speed and reduces vulnerabilities. Delete unused plugins. So for example, you could just delete that one if it hasn't been used for a long time. It takes up space on the website, and also there can be vulnerabilities with it. If you click on add new, when you're installing a plugin, check for the reviews and the number of installations. Also check to see when it was last updated and see if it's compatible with your version of WordPress. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have, please give it a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to see future videos. In the description of the video, you'll see a link to the blog post where you can follow this tutorial through step by step. Thanks for watching. Jonathan at Builderwebs.